What is data cleaning? Data cleaning is like tidying your room. It's about sorting through messy data to make it neat and usable. When data comes in, it often has errors, duplicates, or just plain missing pieces. By cleaning data, you fix these problems. Think of it as preparing your tools before building something. You ensure everything's just right so your analysis isn't off due to messy input. This involves tasks like correcting errors, removing duplicates, and dealing with missing values. Why data cleaning matters? Imagine trying to do a puzzle but half the pieces don't fit correctly, are missing, or are duplicates. That's what working with unclean data feels like. Data cleaning is essential because it ensures accuracy in analysis. When your data is clean, your insights are trustworthy. Picture someone using clean versus messy data. Insights derived from clean data are like seeing clearly through a polished window, whereas messy data is like trying to see through a dusty, cracked one. Clean data helps avoid misleading results that could lead someone down the wrong path. For anyone ready to make decisions based on data, whether in business, research, or even school projects, ensuring that starting point is correct makes all the difference. Common misconceptions. Often, people think data cleaning is just a quick task before diving into real analysis. However, it's a crucial step, not just a box to check off. Some believe data cleaning can fix all data issues, but it can't compensate for poor data collection methods. Another misconception is that if someone uses advanced tools or software, data cleaning might become unnecessary. In truth, no matter how advanced your tools are, messy data will still lead to flawed insights. Lastly, many see data cleaning as tedious, overly time-consuming, and not as exciting as analysis. While it requires time and effort, it's an investment. Properly cleaning data is crucial since it forms the foundation for valuable and reliable analysis. What's essential to remember is good data cleaning is an ongoing process, just like keeping your room neat. Getting started with data cleaning requires tools and software. When diving into data cleaning, having the right tools can make all the difference. For beginners, spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets are a great start. They are user-friendly and offer basic functions like sorting, filtering, and simple formulas. If you're ready to level up, Python and R are the programming languages of choice. They offer powerful libraries like Pandas for Python and Pla for R that handle data cleaning efficiently. Tools like OpenRefine are also fantastic for more advanced data cleaning, especially when dealing with large datasets or web data. Data cleaning workflow. A typical data cleaning workflow involves a few key steps. First, you'll need to assess and understand your data. Look for obvious errors like missing values or typos. Once you identify these issues, move on to correcting them. This might mean filling in missing values or making corrections to faulty data. Consistency is crucial, so ensure that your data follows the same format throughout. Think of dates or numerical values, for instance. After cleaning, validate your data by running tests or checks to see if your cleaning efforts were successful. Finally, document your process so you can backtrack if necessary and provide a clear record of what's been done. Key skills for data cleaning. Mastering data cleaning requires a mix of technical and analytical skills. Basic programming knowledge is helpful, especially if you're using Python or R. You don't need to be a coding wizard, but understanding loops, conditionals, and data types will come in handy. Analytical skills are equally important. You need to spot patterns and inconsistencies that may not be obvious at first. Attention to detail is crucial. Overlooking a small error can lead to big problems down the line. Finally, problem-solving skills will help you tackle unexpected challenges, like when data doesn't cleanly fit expected patterns. With practice, these skills will become second nature. Identifying dirty data. Getting a handle on how to identify dirty data is essential for anyone diving into data analysis. Think of it like tidying up your room before you can find anything useful. Let's break it down into chunks. Types of dirty data. Dirty data comes in various forms, much like the mess on a teenager's floor. Here's what you might find. Missing data. Sometimes whole rows or columns vanish without a trace. Duplicate data. Imagine seeing your twin every time you turn around. Duplications clutter the dataset. Inaccurate data. Like that rumor that's just not true. Incorrect data misleads. Outdated data. Old information that's hanging around long past its prime. Understanding these types helps in recognizing what you're up against. Data quality issues. Data quality issues can muddle up your analysis, just like trying to solve a math problem with wrong numbers. Here are some bumps you might encounter. Inconsistencies. When data varies in format or style, it creates confusion. Picture a class where everyone has a different textbook edition. Incompleteness. Missing pieces in a dataset are as frustrating as missing pieces in a puzzle. Inaccuracy. Sometimes data just isn't correct. It's like spelling cat with a K. Addressing these helps in sharpening the clarity and reliability of your findings. Detecting anomalies. Anomalies can be sneaky gremlins messing up your dataset. Spotting them is key to keeping your analysis shipshape. Outliers. These are the odd ones out, numbers or entries that don't align with the norm. Think of the tallest kid in class by a foot. Unexpected patterns. Sometimes data trends look off the expected path. It's like spotting a zigzag on a straight road. Unusual changes over time. When data takes sudden jumps or dips, it might suggest something's amiss. By learning how to detect these irregularities, you're on your way to becoming a data cleaning pro. It's all about making your dataset as sleek and reliable as a well-organized toolbox. Cleaning techniques for numeric data. Handling missing values. Handling missing values is a crucial step in data cleaning. When dealing with numeric data, missing values can occur for various reasons, such as data entry errors or gaps in data collection. To tackle this, you have several options. One common method is imputation, where missing values are filled in based on other available data. You can use the mean, median, or mode of the column to fill in these gaps. Each method has its own advantages. The mean utilizes all data points and could be helpful in normally distributed datasets, while the median is great for avoiding the influence of outliers. Outlier detection and correction. Outliers in your data can be like uninvited guests who skew your results. They represent data points that are significantly different from the rest of the dataset and can be caused by errors or variability. Detecting outliers can involve using graphical methods, such as box plots, or statistical methods, like the Z-score technique. Once detected, you can address outliers by either removing them or transforming them. Removal should be considered carefully since outliers might have a legitimate reason for their existence. Transforming them involves adjusting their values, for example, capping, to minimize their impact on your analysis. Transforming numeric data. Sometimes, raw numeric data isn't in the form required for accurate analysis. Transforming numeric data ensures that the data is in the right form for whatever analysis you plan to perform next. This can involve scaling, normalizing, or converting data. Scaling means adjusting the data so that it fits within a specific range, such as 0 to 1, which is crucial for algorithms sensitive to data magnitude. Normalizing the data typically involves rescaling each data point to fall within a desired range. You might also log transform your data, especially when dealing with exponential growth patterns. Each transformation aims to help your analysis tools work their magic in the best way possible. Mastering these techniques makes you well equipped to handle numeric data and ensure it's clean, accurate, and ready for analysis. Cleaning techniques for text data. Dealing with inconsistent text. In the world of data science, messy text data can be quite a headache. You often encounter issues like typos, random capitalization, or unnecessary white space. So, what can you do about it? Start by trimming those pesky spaces, either at the beginning or the end of your text. This is a simple trick, but it makes a big difference. You can also bring harmony to your data by converting everything to lowercase, which helps especially when dealing with user input, like when someone types in a day of the week. It's always better to compare data that's in the same format, right? And hey, don't forget about those typos. Spell check tools can save the day by catching inconsistencies that sneak in. Removing duplicates. Imagine sorting through a mountain of text and realizing you've got the same line showing up more than once. Duplicates not only take up space but also mess with your analysis. To handle this, you can quickly identify and remove duplicate entries. Doing this step will help your dataset become leaner and more efficient. Most data tools have functions that let you pinpoint these duplicates easily, so make sure to check your specific language or platform documentation for the details. Removing these replicas ensures your analysis reflects true insights rather than inflated ones due to repeated data points. Standardizing formats. A very vital part of cleaning text data is ensuring consistency across your dataset. Imagine dates being entered in multiple formats, like mm/dd/she and ddmm, right? Try converting them all to one format to avoid any future mix-ups. The same goes for units, feet versus meters, or time zones. Preparing your data with uniform standards makes everything simpler and saves countless headaches down the line. Remember, it's kind of like tidying your room. When everything has a place and a label, finding what you need is so much smoother. Keep things standardized, and your data will be ready for whatever analysis you plan next. Advanced data cleaning strategies. Using machine learning for data cleaning. Let's jump into how machine learning plays a big role in data cleaning. First off, machine learning can help spot patterns and outliers that might not be obvious at first glance. Imagine you have tons of data and you're not sure where the errors are. Machine learning models can sift through that data and flag inconsistencies. With the power of algorithms, things like missing values or incorrect entries can be automatically identified and even corrected. This makes your data cleaner and more reliable, which then results in better analysis and decision-making. Automating data cleaning processes. Automation in data cleaning is like having a super efficient helper that never gets tired. When you automate these processes, you save time and reduce the chance of human errors. For instance, scripts can run through datasets and perform repetitive tasks like filling in missing data, dropping duplicates, or correcting formatting issues. Tools like Python and R come with a variety of libraries that make automation a breeze. These automated routines can be scheduled to run at intervals, keeping your data up to date without manual intervention. This consistency ensures your data remains in tip-top shape. Ensuring reproducibility. Reproducibility is all about creating a process that others can follow to get the same results. When cleaning data, it's crucial to keep track of everything you do, like the changes made, the methods used, and the reasons behind them. This is where documenting your steps in detail becomes essential. By using version control systems, you can keep records of every modification. This way, if someone needs to trace your steps, they'll know exactly what you did and why. This transparency not only builds trust but also facilitates collaboration among team members. Plus, it ensures that your work can be repeated and validated by others, making the entire process more robust. By incorporating these strategies, you set a strong foundation for data cleaning that leads to accurate results and efficient workflows. Evaluating data quality, developing quality metrics to ensure data quality, establishing clear metrics is crucial. It's like having a checklist when packing for a trip. You need to know what's important. Good quality metrics typically include accuracy, completeness, and consistency. Accuracy refers to how closely your data matches real-world values. Completeness involves having all the necessary data without gaps. Consistency ensures that data remains uniform throughout your set. By crafting these metrics, you define what quality looks like for your data, helping to spot any issues early on. Validation techniques. Once your metrics are set, validation techniques help you ensure data meets those standards. Think of validation like proofreading a paper before submission, catching errors before they cause trouble. One common technique is data auditing, which involves regular checks to ensure data integrity. Another method is cross-verification, comparing data from different sources to confirm they align. There's also schema validation, which checks data against a predefined structure. Employing these techniques can help maintain your data's reliability, making your analysis more trustworthy. Feedback and continuous improvement. After setting metrics and validating data, ongoing feedback plays a vital role in continuous improvement. It's like revising an essay, you refine and adjust based on what you learn. Encouraging feedback from users helps identify which areas need enhancement. Use this input to adjust your metrics or validation methods as needed. Additionally, automating some processes can help quickly identify and correct errors, saving time and resources. Continuously improving your approach ensures data quality remains high and evolves with your needs. By focusing on developing clear quality metrics, employing structured validation techniques, and fostering a culture of feedback, you create a robust framework for evaluating data quality. This approach not only helps in maintaining the current standards but also ensures you adapt to future challenges, keeping your data analysis both relevant and reliable. Remember, data quality isn't a one-time effort, it's an ongoing process that benefits immensely from attention and care, just like any good learning journey. Using Python for data cleaning. Python takes data cleaning up a notch with its powerful libraries such as Pandas and NumPy. If you're a student getting comfortable with coding, Python will open doors to automate and streamline your data cleaning processes. Pandas, for instance, lets you handle large data sets efficiently and perform complex operations with ease. You can clean up data using commands to handle missing values, filter out anomalies, and reshape data sets to get them just right for analysis. Python's versatility makes it a favorite for those who want to add a more technical tool to their data cleaning toolkit. Specialized data cleaning software. For those looking to go beyond general-purpose tools like Excel or programming languages like Python, there's specialized software designed specifically for data cleaning. Tools such as OpenRefine or Trifactor offer features tailored to help manage large and complex datasets. OpenRefine, for example, is excellent for transforming messy data into structured formats quickly. It enables you to fix inconsistencies, split data into columns, and even reconcile data against standards databases. Trifactor, on the other hand, offers intuitive interfaces and machine learning capabilities to suggest cleaning transformation, making the process more efficient and accurate. Specialized tools are great for students who need to handle big projects or delve into data-heavy fields. They provide more targeted functionalities and can save time when cleaning up complex data sets, helping you focus on analysis rather than getting bogged down in cleaning. Challenges in data cleaning. Large datasets. Handling large datasets can feel like running a marathon with a backpack full of rocks. It can be overwhelming and time-consuming to process vast amounts of data, especially when you're dealing with millions or even billions of rows. The more data you have, the more complex the task becomes. Errors and inconsistencies seem to multiply as datasets grow, making it tricky to maintain high standards of data quality. One small mistake can lead to significant issues down the line, so staying organized is key. Breaking down the data into manageable chunks can really help keep things under control. Time constraints are like trying to solve a puzzle with the clock ticking louder with every second. Whether you're a student working on a project deadline or a professional pressed for deliverables, time is a precious commodity. The need to clean data quickly and efficiently can be stressful. Rushing can lead to mistakes, but spending too long can derail other important tasks. Finding the right balance between speed and accuracy is crucial. Learning shortcuts, using effective tools, and knowing when good enough is truly good enough can help you make the most of your time. Balancing accuracy and efficiency is like walking a tightrope. Too much focus on accuracy can slow the process down, while too little can compromise the quality of your data. Finding errors is just as important as fixing them, but you can't get bogged down in the details. You might find yourself asking, is this error big enough to fix, or can it be ignored without causing too much harm? This judgment call often depends on the specific requirements of the task at hand. Developing an intuition for what's important comes with practice. Leveraging automated tools and setting clear priorities can assist you in maintaining a balance between these competing demands. Remember, data cleaning isn't just about making data look pretty, it's about making it useful, reliable, and efficient to work with. Future trends in data cleaning, impact of AI and automation. Let's face it, cleaning data is nobody's favorite task. But don't you worry, AI and automation are here to save the day. They play a gigantic role in transforming how we handle data. AI tools can detect and correct errors, fill in missing values, and even foresee data issues before they become bigger snarls. This not only saves time but also improves accuracy. Plus, automation allows repetitive tasks to be done faster and with less chance of human error. Imagine having more time to actually analyze data instead of just cleaning it. Evolving industry standards. As tech changes, so do the standards we use to measure quality. In the realm of data cleaning, these standards ensure the process delivers accurate and usable data consistently. Companies around the world are pushing towards implementing more robust, universally accepted standards. This includes setting benchmarks for quality, maintaining compliance across systems, and being transparent about how data gets cleaned. As these standards become more widespread, we can expect cleaner, more reliable data becoming the norm, not the exception. This shift helps us make better decisions based on strong, trustworthy data. Emerging tools and techniques. With growth in tech comes new tools and techniques that make data cleaning less of a chore. Tools are getting smarter and more user-friendly, even providing real-time feedback and suggestions. Some new techniques focus on improving accuracy by using machine learning models to understand data patterns. These tools also integrate with other systems you might be using, which makes the whole process smooth and efficient. For students and future data pros, keeping an eye on these emerging solutions is crucial. As you dive into your data projects, understanding and experimenting with these tools can give you an edge. Staying updated about these trends is key to understanding where data cleaning is heading. It's not just about keeping up to date with technology but also ensuring we are all set to tackle the data challenges of tomorrow. So, embrace these trends and think of them as allies in your learning journey to become a data wizard. The role of data cleaning in data science. Preparing data for analysis. Data cleaning is the unsung hero of data science. Imagine trying to build a Lego set with pieces from a bunch of different kits. Before getting creative, you'd sort out the pieces you need. That's what data cleaning does. It gets everything in order before analysis. When you enter the world of data science, you'll often find that the datasets are messy or incomplete. Data cleaning helps ensure that the data you use is precise and consistent, making it ready for analysis. It's like clearing clutter from your workspace so you can focus on the creative process of building models and finding insights. Importance in machine learning. Have you ever fed spoofed information to a friend just to see what they do? If they don't know the data is flawed, they might make some pretty funny decisions. Machine learning models are similar. They rely on data to learn patterns and make predictions, but if the data is flawed, the results can be way off. Cleaning data means you're providing reliable inputs, ensuring models learn correctly and offering accurate outcomes. It's like setting a good foundation before constructing a building. The stronger the base, the more robust the structure. If data is messy, machine learning models might not perform as expected, leading to potential errors or failures in any conclusions drawn. Linking to data governance, data cleaning doesn't exist in isolation. It's part of a larger framework called data governance, which ensures data quality across an organization. Think of data governance like the rules of a library. Just as the Dewey Decimal System helps librarians and readers find books efficiently, data governance manages and organizes data processes, quality, and security. By linking data cleaning to governance, businesses can ensure they maintain high quality and reliable datasets. This approach supports consistent data flow and compliant use, further enabling trustworthy analysis. In the complex world of data science, maintaining this order ensures everyone speaks the same data language, and decisions are driven by accurate information. Resources to enhance your data cleaning skills: online courses and tutorials. If you're looking to boost your data cleaning skills, online courses and tutorials are a fantastic place to start. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer courses that walk you through the essentials of data cleaning using popular tools like Python and Excel. These courses are designed with students in mind, explaining technical concepts with real-world examples. You might also want to check out YouTube channels dedicated to teaching data science. Many creators upload engaging tutorials that break down complex topics into easy-to-understand segments. Books and guides. Books and guides provide a deeper dive into data cleaning, letting you explore theories and methodologies more thoroughly. One classic book is Data Wrangling with Python, which focuses on transforming messy data into insightful information. Books like the Data Warehouse Toolkit are also valuable because they cover practical strategies used by experts. Guides written in blog form can be equally helpful, offering more informal advice or quick tips. A mix of books and online guides will give you a comprehensive understanding of both foundational and advanced data cleaning techniques. Community and forums. Being part of a community is an underrated gem when learning data cleaning. Joining forums like Stack Overflow or Reddit's data science communities can connect you with peers and professionals who share your interests. These platforms are terrific for asking questions, sharing insights, or even troubleshooting issues you encounter. You can also join data science groups on LinkedIn or engage in Twitter conversations focused on data topics. These interactions not only raise your knowledge but also build a network of support and motivation. So, whether you're a visual learner who benefits from instructional videos or someone who loves diving into dense reading materials, there's a wealth of resources to fit your style. Take advantage of these opportunities to hone your data cleaning skills and become proficient in this essential area of data science. Remember, learning is a journey, and with the right resources, you're well on your way to mastering data cleaning.